The earth, it breathes, it moves, it remembers. For centuries, humanity has built empires, carved mountains, and tamed rivers. Yet every once in a while, the planet reminds us who's truly in control. August 24th, 79 AD. The people of Pompeii woke to a perfect summer morning. The markets were alive, laughter filled the air, and Mount Vesuvius stood silent, calm, watching. Then, without warning, the mountain split open. A roar like a god's breath tore through the sky. The earth trembled, and within moments daylight turned to night. A tower of ash and fire rose 15 miles high. The air became poison. The city disappeared, not burned, but buried, frozen in time, beneath a storm of ash and stone. For nearly 1,700 years, Pompeii slept beneath the earth, until one day, the world uncovered the faces of those who never had the chance to escape. Their shadows remain, a whisper from the past, reminding us how fragile eternity truly is. August 26th, 1883, Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra. The world was about to witness a sound louder than anything ever heard. For months, sailors and islanders watched as Mount Krakatoa came alive, smoke rising from the sea, ash turning the skies red, the earth trembling beneath the waves. Then came the explosion. 4 blasts, each stronger than the last. The final one, at 10:02 a.m., tore the island apart. A tsunami over 40 meters high crushed the shores of Java and Sumatra, sweeping away villages, ships, and thousands of souls. For days, the sky stayed dark. The sun turned blood red across continents. Temperatures around the world dropped, sunsets glowed in strange colors, as if the heavens themselves mourned the lost. When Krakatoa fell silent, the world itself seemed to listen. Even today, the sunsets we see carry the memory of that one deafening moment, the day the world shook. April 18, 1906. 5:12 a.m. The people of San Francisco were still asleep when the earth decided to wake them. A sudden roar from beneath the ground, and in seconds, the city of dreams became a city of fire. The San Andreas Fault ripped apart, stretching for nearly 300 miles. Streets cracked open, buildings collapsed, and the proud skyline of the West Coast fell into dust. Gas lines burst. Flames leapt from block to block. The fire raged for 3 days. Unstoppable, merciless, consuming everything it touched. More than 80% of the city vanished. Tens of thousands were left homeless, the air filled with smoke and screams. The earth took San Francisco once, but it could never take its spirit. From the ashes, the city rose, not broken, but reborn. December 26, 2004, the day after Christmas. Across the Indian Ocean, the world was calm until the sea began to breathe. At 7:58 a.m., beneath the waves off the coast of Sumatra, the earth shifted. a rupture 1,200 kilometers long. The power released was equal to 23,000 atomic bombs. Within minutes, walls of water rose from the deep, racing toward the shores of Indonesia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, and beyond. Then came the roar. A 30-meter wave, unstoppable, swallowing everything, houses, trees, lives. In a single breath of destruction, the wave didn't stop. It crossed the ocean, striking coast after coast for 7 hours. 14 countries, 230,000 lives lost. It was one of the darkest mornings in human memory, and one of the brightest for human compassion. From every corner of the world came aid, rescue teams, prayers, hope. The sea took everything. Yet from the silence, humanity found its voice. The ocean that gave life took it away that day. But from the ruins came something stronger than fear. Kindness. Humanity answered the sea's roar with compassion. And in every wave that touches these shores, we remember. This is the story of the moments when nature struck and history itself was rewritten.